T24, a 9-year-old male tiger from Ranthambore who'd been named Ustad, has been shifted out of the sanctuary after he attacked and killed a forest guard. Many wildlife activists and enthusiasts are up in arms saying the tiger is being penalized and that the killings took place in his territory. But the forest department is firm that this had to be done as it was Ustad's fourth human kill in 5 years.
The tiger T24, after spending 9 years roaming in Ranthambore National Park, has now been shifted 500 kilometers away to a biological park in Udaipur's Sajangarh. An attack on a forest guard last week was the reason for relocating the tiger. Also, T24's past history, killing 4 people in the past 5 years, had started rumors that the young male was turning into a man killer.
4 इंसिडेंट्स होने के बाद एक जो प्रशासन है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की जवाबदेही बनती है, तो इसलिए उसके चलते ये प्रशासनिक मजबूरी थी। जब किसी भी जानवरों की आबादी बढ़ेगी और बाहर मानव आबादी भी बढ़ रही है, तो इसके कारण मैन एनिमल कन्फ्लिक्ट जो है इसके बढ़ने के आसार रहते हैं। तो ऐसी स्थिति में अगर यहाँ बाघों की संख्या बढ़ रही है तो उनको किस प्रकार मैनेज किया जाए।
But moving the tiger away into a territory that will be just 1 hectare in space has wildlife activists worried, who feel T24 is being punished without a proper understanding of what led to his attacks on people.
वो उसका इलाका था, उसका इलाका है, उसका इलाका रहेगा। जब उसकी टेरिटरी के अंदर कोई 2 टांगों के लिए ऊपर आदमी अंदर प्रवेश करता है तो वो उसे अपना एक प्रे समझता है तो उसके ऊपर चार्ज करेगा।
The other problem that Ranthambore faces is overpopulation. Ranthambore has too many tigers for its area. Nearly 60 tigers in 500 square kilometers. Of these, 22 are male. And the fight for territory has led to incidents in the past of tigers either straying out of the core area or attacking each other and often turning their aggression on people. With Sudarshan in Ranthambore, Harsha Kumari Singh, NDTV.